Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again, friends. Windows 10 has a new version of Microsoft Edge based on the Chromium rendering engine, and perhaps one of the best features is its support for Google Chrome extensions. While it's expected that developers will publish their extensions to the Microsoft Edge store, if you don't want to wait, the new browser includes an option to install your favorite extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. In this video, you'll learn the steps to add Google Chrome extensions to the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge for Windows 10. Although Edge includes support for extensions from other stores, such as from the Chrome Web Store, you need to enable the feature before you can install extensions. Here's how to do it. First, open Microsoft Edge. Second, click the Settings and More three-dotted button in the top right. And select the Extensions option. Third, turn on the Allow Extensions from Other Stores toggle switch, and click the Allow button. After completing the steps, you can use the Chrome Web Store to install any extension you want. To install an extension from the Chrome Web Store on Microsoft Edge, use these steps. First, open Chrome Web Store website. Second, search for the Chrome extension that you want to install on Microsoft Edge. Third, click the Add to Chrome button. Once you complete the steps, the extension should download and install automatically on the Chromium Edge browser just like in Google Chrome.